This message is broadcasted by the American Federal Provisional Government. The Ohio Democratic Empire has officially launched one bomb nuclear missile at former Luxembourg, which will cause severe damage to the former country. In other news, Ireland has officially risen again. They are on hold of former Denmark and former Estonia, but do note these countries could break out at any time like former Belgium and former Portugal. It has been reported that the skibidi toilets are traveling to the former United Kingdom and would guard anyone housed 24/7, and if you get out, you will be most likely tortured and killed. The Turkish variant of OLH22 has been released, and several cases of it have been reported in America. The symptoms of this variant are finger loss, extreme height growth, feeling like pure torture, lupus, insomnia, and then you turn into a skibidi toilet. Israel has also officially risen again, but the Ohio Democratic Empire seen this, and launched a gas called OliveSouch at the former city, Tel Aviv. A message from the government will take place in 3 hours. That was a message from the American Federal Provisional Government. This alert has now concluded.
Alerta de terremoto. Alerta de terremoto. Un terremoto golpeará este país en 2 minutos. Refúgiese ahora hasta que se dé el visto bueno. No tenemos tiempo para un himno nacional. Esto no es una prueba. Repito, esto no es una prueba. Un terremoto golpeará este país en 2 minutos. El terremoto golpeará este país ahora. No nos queda tiempo. Manténganse a salvo, todos los ciudadanos.